You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. Oh boy, you should check out the full video later on. But actually, you can see that we're having 60 built-in games where like 40 of them come in this multi-game card. So there's absolutely a lie and only came with 16 licensed games. But we're going to be taking a close look at the 40 games that are on here. You can see actually a little bit of an overview, what kind of weird games. And let's see if there's anything good on it, or is it just going to be one big shenanigans. Oh, by the way, I tried to boot it up from an original system or some other clones, but it seems to be not booting up. So later on, it's also fun to rip it apart to see what is inside of this thing, or is there actually something inside? But let's be honest, if they're saying something like bonus games, man, you know it's going to be bad. So let's do a quick overview of the 4 pages. We're having air hockey, black sheep, and I don't know why this freaking thing doesn't work. Hello? Oh, there we go. Air hockey, black sheep, bomber, bottle taps, race, brain switch, bulls and cows. Cannon, checker, chess, color puzzle. So let's go to the other page. Jewel magic, that sounds kind of okay. Hexagonals, okay. Fight or lose. Curling 2010, cross the road. Logic dial, table magic, mahjong, okay. Memory match. Okay, memory match, that sounds kind of fun, by the way, so that's something I wanted to check out if I'm not forgetting. UFO sighting. There is a game where you can, let's say, do UFO sighting. Warehouse keeper, whack a wolf. What? Whack a wolf? Oh man. So let's start off with some air hockey. Let's see how bad this is. How is the music? And DevWorks Game Technology. That's, I'm guessing, the company who developed this particular game. Maybe the whole freaking... Man, that music. Oh, we can actually play with 2 players, so that's kind of cool. But let's do 1 player. Let's see how this is actually turning out. Oh, that's it. Oh, we're actually starting. Okay, there we go. Ah. You know, when it comes to the way how this works, it's kind of fun. But man, wait, what? But the music in this, couldn't it be any creative? Or not, the holes are at the side or what? I'm guessing the soul. But I'm gonna say that this game is kind of fun. Why can't I move to the other part of the table? What the hell is this? I can give myself an own goal. There we go. Woohoo! Yeah! Oh, the black sheep, and let's do a quick overview of a couple of games. I have no idea how I actually made it. There was no introduction. Wait. Oh, I need to get... Oh, I need to choose a direction which is different. Alright, yeah. Man, oh man, what were they smoking over there? That's the only thing I'm thinking. Bomber, okay. This is going to be a Bomberman ripoff. Oh, absolutely. And the music is like 4 times the freaking... Like say, it's kind of... Like the sound is like absolutely like 4 times normal. But bottle taps race, and you know there's all kinds of wicked shenanigans on here. You know, oh, it's the same DevWorks Game Technology. Let's see if they have like the depressing background music again. Okay. We have different kind of laps. Bottle, what? Oh, you need to just see how far we can just go when it comes to pushing this bottle further or whatever. Yeah, okay, you know, some of the games with the air hockey had some potential, but brain switch. What? That sounds even more horrible. The music sounds kind of familiar. Wait, what's going on? Oh, you need to choose. Okay, and that's why you need to choose yes or no. Okay. Yeah, okay, so that's kind of interesting, but it's just instantly starts with the freaking, like say, game Bulls and Cows. Come on, this is something we need to check out. Bulls and Cows, how is going on with this? Okay. How to play it, explain. Try to discern a hidden combination. Oh. Okay, so I have no idea why they're calling it this, but that's absolutely wicked. No background music, but let's check out, like, we have chess. So, okay, hey, nobody can mess up chess. So we have custom, okay, new game. Oh, okay, that's kind of cool. That looks kind of graphical, nice. Okay, so this is kind of cool when it comes to playing chess on the Sega Genesis. And the sound effects are okay. DevWorks technology. Fight or lose. So, oh, man, that sound. You know, the difference in sound levels are absolutely annoying. What the... What the heck is this for kind of crap? I was thinking I'm getting a fighting game or something like that, but nope. Does this game actually called Jax P? What? Oh man, the name's getting weirder and more wicked by the minute. What's going on with this? You know, somehow I can really appreciate stuff like this because how bad it is. What is the guy doing? Like, look at this freaking face. I'm guessing you need to jump to the next platform. Okay, so that's actually how it is, and man, this runs like 2 frames per second. Look how choppy it is. And let me guess, I'm falling down, I'm just jumping wrong. There we go. Whee! Okay, so let's check out memory, match and memory, because this is like one of the fun games, like the basic one. We have like these very cool, let's say, touchscreen devices. So it is actually licensed by Head Games from 2008. Okay. Ah, there we go. Let's see. Which button do I need to press? Okay. What just happened? Oh, I think I had the combination right. No. Okay, I can just switch in a couple of these things. Oh man, what a weird... This is such an old... My old like freaking machine from the 90s looks better than this crap. So having a lot of different games on there, like there are sometimes games like Canon that reminds me of... Hey, it's actually from Tectoy, Dev Gamework Technology 2005. Tectoy is the one that also made, like, say, the Duke Nukem game. Not that that's going to be like any good, like the Duke Nukem game. Personally, I didn't really like it, but you know, when it comes to this, oh man, that's it. Oh man, that's it. Like, that's the only thing I'm going to be doing. Ooh, I almost got him. He's going to be shooting back. And is he going to hit me? Oh, we do have like some physics going on with the wind. Okay. Let's see. I need to do a little bit less. Like that. No! Woohoo! I got him! Ha 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 ha! I'm guessing this was the game? That's it? There's nothing else? You won. Okay. And there's... That's the game! That's the freaking game! It's just one freaking stage. Oh man! Who doesn't want to do UFO sighting on the 16-bit? Okay, that sounded kind of cool soundtrack. Dude, that sounds familiar, but I have no idea why. Enter in quantity. Let's say, let's put 3. Oh, you need to look. Oh yeah, that's it. Hello. You need to look very quickly. Oh man. Ah. Oh. That's it. Oh man, oh man, oh man, these games are so freaking bad. I think this is going to be the biggest disappointment in multi-game card history. So there's a lot of crappy stuff on there, and yeah, I can do and tear down when it comes to this. But when you're going to be looking closely, you can see there's actually a chip on the PCB. So this is not like the weird stuff that we're seeing with AliExpress, where having a cartridge that just connects pins and where you can just actually getting into a special menu. Nope, that's it. So yeah, opening it up, it's going to be, let's say, showcasing a lot of stuff. It's just having, let's say, some screws. You can maybe see it over there, but I'm not going to be just not going to be destroying the label, just want to keep it in original condition, even they're like 40 crappy games. Would be just a shame to ruin the label, because this is actually one of the few, let's say, kind of multi-card games I've ever seen from Ed Games, where I've seen a lot of these, let's say, very strange devices. Did a separate video with this particular device. Thank you all for watching, consider subscribing, and let me know in the comments what you think of this 40 games in one. Would you, should you, do you want to have this in your collection? I mean, let me know.